global, regional, local. One mission, one family. The All family of companies. Renting or buying a crane is a tall order. Availability, capability, capacity, transport, safety. Choosing the best crane from the best crane company is vital, not just for the job, but for your efficiency, your bottom line, and the future of your business. All makes the choice easy. All Erection and Crane Rental has the most technologically advanced fleet of lift equipment in North America. We buy the industry's best brands, and then we expertly maintain every cylinder, every roller, and every winch because they are of dire importance. Nowhere else will you find cranes that are cared for as meticulously as ours. That's because nowhere else will you find a crane company that staffs and operates its own village of maintenance and repair shops. One visit to our main yard outside Cleveland, Ohio, and you'll see what makes all the difference. Our main yard is home to nearly a dozen maintenance and repair shops, and hundreds of cranes and other lift equipment preparing for their next job. The yard also holds some of the company's 300 tractors and 1,700 trailers that help us transport equipment to job sites. At All, we don't depend on trucking companies to haul our cranes. We haul our own, and that makes scheduling and delivery all the faster and more reliable. Our trailer shop is where we maintain those delivery trailers. We can refurbish decks and cross frames, replace brakes, have the ability to do complete rebuilds, then perform annual Department of Transportation inspections to ensure our trailers are road ready. Same thing with our mechanic service trucks. We build our own from the chassis up, with storage compartments for repair equipment, lights and electrical gear, a hydraulic cable spool or crane on the back. Everything our mechanics need to service cranes at job sites. We build our trucks to be heavier duty and better outfitted, because simply said, you need big iron to haul big iron. And when one of our trucks needs maintenance, it goes to our on-site truck shop. In the truck shop, expert technicians can do repairs and regular maintenance on all our trucks, everything from repairing a fender to a total rebuild. We're never without extra starters and alternators. All those parts are stored here too. Of course, every repair meets the highest standards of quality and precision. And safety matters. Everything we do incorporates the latest safety standards. No surprise that our safety department is one of the most important spots in the yard. All invests more than 50,000 hours a year in service and safety training for our nearly 300 mechanics and operators to refine their skills, get refreshers on OSHA requirements, or learn the newest technologies and skills from manufacturers like Terex, Grove, and Manitowoc. With so many makes and models of cranes and vehicles in the All fleet, there's a lot to learn and a lot of parts to keep in stock. Our parts warehouse is stocked to the ceiling with new and restored pumps, engines, jibs, shivs, hoists, you name it. Every part is packaged, on pallets, and ready to ship wherever, whenever. All's inventory of stocked crane parts is hard to rival, with more than 100,000 SKUs at any time, and we're the sole provider of parts for Hunter heaters. Cranes need tires, lots of them. If a crane has 6 axles, that's 12 tires on just one machine. Our main yard has a tire shop all their own, which houses our huge inventory for every make and model of crane. We deal directly with all tire manufacturers too. But for any service shop, the rubber hits the road, so to speak, in the machine shop. Here, teams of expert machinists have the ability to repair rollers, track pads, booms, and more. Our master machinists work alongside the next generation of fabricators. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we learn the intricacies and nuances of each quality component that moves through the shop. And then these components move to the weld shop, where we put them together. In our weld shop, we have the equipment and the expertise for bending, drilling, and fabrication. We have specialists certified to weld virtually any part of a crane. And for any weld requiring specialized training, be assured we have earned this certification. And like the master of any trade, we re-educate constantly to reinforce and to own our reputation for excellence. Our welders are AWS D1.1 certified, as well as certified by Manitowoc to perform the highest standard of inspection and repair. But for the heart of every machine, there's the engine shop. Here we have a spare engine for every crane in our fleet. Each part gets inspected and, if needed, remanufactured to OEM specifications. Cummins, Caterpillar, Deutz, John Deere. We're qualified to rebuild all of them. We're also one of the largest rebuilders of Mercedes-Benz industrial engines in the U.S. Once reassembled, our engines are packaged and stored, ready to ship immediately when an engine needs to be replaced. That means minimal downtime for cranes on the job. We have about 125 rebuilt engines ready to go, including one for the colossal Manitowoc 21000, our 1,000-ton crawler crane. The main shop is a pretty busy place. Repairs, regular maintenance, inspections. Our factory-trained crane technicians man 8 service bays. Mechanics in our transmission room rebuild all our hoists and transmissions. Those in the hydraulic room reconstruct cylinders and replace hoses. From the tiniest wire to the biggest boom, all keeps its cranes in like-new condition. And that includes final touches such as new cab windows cut in our own glass shop and sparkling clean parts freshly coated in our paint booth. Thanks to our maintenance and repair shops and staff, all has one of the largest, best-maintained fleets of lift equipment in North America. And that's important, not just to customers renting a crane, but also for those buying one. Our all-assured used equipment has enjoyed the same painstaking care as our rental equipment, because it was our rental equipment. We know every inch of it, inside and out. We'll be your best crane support all the way, and that means peace of mind. For the highest quality, most dependable lift equipment, trust all